Alright guys, here we go. We got this bitch up and running now. That's A-lid I was looking at here. This is that one I called out the other day with the head and shoulders pattern. How it broke out, it's still going. Alright, let's check out AMC. Let's go over a thing or two first. So AMC is down right now. You can see it's bouncing back. Okay, so wise people saying that AMC, it's going to be a good day and next week's going to be a good week. They, there was a lot of fail to delivers. Those are when somebody, let's say, shorts. It's time for them to deliver on their investment. They have to return the shorts, things like that, and they don't do it. Well, then that is considered a fail to deliver, and they give them so many days to return those. Um, I'm sure not without penalty, but today is supposed to be that day. Today is supposed to be the day that it starts. And some of the charts I was looking at yesterday was showing like a few million today, and for the next several days, there's probably no fewer than 2, 4, 5 million every day. It's supposed to be returned, which means that they have to buy them on the market at the price it is now. That's one of the reasons why it looks like they might be trying to push it down right now. So that's the reason why everybody is saying that it's going to be a good day for AMC. Well, a volatile day. Me personally, I don't think today is going to be a good day for AMC. I think today is going to be a very bad day. I think they're going to try to push it down. I think we're going to have to fight to keep it up. But with that being said, next week I think will be, if any of this fail to deliver shit is going to make a difference, it's going to be next week. So guys, don't risk no more than what you can. If you went into it with a plan and it's past your stop loss, get out. I mean, don't don't risk it if you're not sure. Don't put yourself out. You're in this to make money. Do what's good for you. If you want to follow, become an ape, all that stuff, that's up to you too. You're welcome to do that, but do you in the end you have to do what's good for you. But that's the reason why everybody is talking about today for AMC. Well, I need a cough box so I don't have to keep going back to that. Hood, let's take a look over there real quick too. They are blowing up, and like we said yesterday, I don't look for them to get back to these highs. I could see them getting back up to the $65 range. But I mean, it's going to take a lot to get back up to that 85, and I just don't see it happening this week. I may be wrong. It may shoot up to the sky here in a minute, but I just don't see it. Anything is possible. So one of the things we was going to try to do today, guys, was, my selfie calls are coming back. Let's see what let's run down these investments really quick. That's a good little sign, little wolf flag there. We'll see what it does. You You see it sold off this morning. Yeah, yeah. I mean, if you're still in it, it doesn't look terrible, but it's not the greatest thing neither. Uh, Ford is not going to do nothing today, is it? Okay. Bitcoin Cash looked like it had a good night. Let's take a look at it real quick. Yeah, see, it's doing this consolidating out. It's climbing. You can see right here. It's having higher highs, but the lows it's dipping. It's like a horn shape. If you see right here, it's flat across the bottom and going out through this way. It's like an inverse triangle or something. The point being this way and the wide part being this way. Those, especially if they keep just bouncing, those are usually a good sign. They usually make for really good swing plays. Um, let's see what else we got. Alright, we're supposed to be looking for a day trade. Let me go to PinViz here. I keep telling y'all I'm gonna walk through a day trade. Oh guys, while we're talking about all this here, I appreciate y'all. A lot more of y'all are, hitting the like button or hitting the subscribe button. But in order to get up in YouTube's algorithm and things like that, it would really help out too if y'all would hit the like button. Uh, just like always, like I say, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and share with your friends. And let's grow this community to something pretty good. Okay. All right. Let me see which one I have these on here. Really? No. What about? Yeah, there, 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 there. Okay, I'll see which how I can the hotkeys for those. Okay, so let's go to PinViz here and look real quick. So we have KXIN. KXIN. Ooh, this one showed up this morning. It's still shooting. Let's take a look at it here on a lower time frame. Now see, I would be interested in this if it comes back down and tests, and let's see what it does. But on this 15 hour, how it's, oh, I guess it was on the 4 hour then. Yeah, 4 hour. So the 15 hour don't look too bad neither. So let's see if it can test and come in and out here. Let's Yeah, see, look at that bounce right there. Let's put this on our watch list. See, this actually doesn't look too bad for a swing. You can see the volatility. It is a low float, high volume. I like this as a play, but let's see what else we got here first. We'll have to let that develop out a little bit more. This is one that was mentioned in Discord today. Guys, if y'all have any stocks you want me to look at, just put them in either the Discord or the message on the video. Yeah, that bombed quick. That bombed really quick. Alright, so let's go back to FinViz. Switch. Let's check out Switch. Wait, what was SWT CH? No, I didn't hit that right. Yeah, see, this one's looking weak. It's already broke. On a day trade, I'd like to see it still following the AMA line that it was. So in this situation, it was following the 15 and 18 AMA line. I'd like to see it keep bouncing off of that. The fact that it's broken down here, we'll just have to wait and see what it does when it bounces, if it bounces. FTSI. FTSI. Let's go back and check this. We got our bounce. We got our doji count on our bounce. Let's see if it let's watch this play out right here 1 second. See how it's starting to get volatile over here, and you see this bounce? That's a battle going on with this candle. We're just waiting to see who wins out, the bears or the bulls. The candle setup's not bad. Alright, I'm going to try this one out. Let's see what happens here. Well, if I can get in quick enough, I will. I mean, it's not the best looking thing, but it's not the worst neither. So I'm going to try it out. Okay, so we'll try it with uh, a small order and see what it does. Yeah, we just we bought 30 on this to see what it does here. Just checking. Yeah, we'll let that develop out. I need to check out one or two other things here. Nope. Ooh, look at Sophie there. Just happened to look over to one of my accounts and it was up pretty good, so figured it was something here. Let's see what Sophie's gonna do. What was the name of that stock we just bought? KXIN. Alright, Sophie, make me some money today, son. Okay. Man, it's wanting to do something. Let's see what else we've got on here. BYSI, that's one that we was watching from yesterday or day before one. BYSI. Ooh, now see, I like this one too. That looks really good. That would be a sweet little bounce play right here if it goes. See, um, you can see how these candles, they're fighting back and forth coming down. You have a doji, a tombstone, or, well, I don't know, more of a doji, I guess, coming down. That's showing that they're fighting at these candles. They're undecided. It's volatile. It's going back and forth, and then you see them turn green. It's like think of it as selling pressure relieving and buying pressure picking up. You see how it come up? The RSI has gotten over bought and needs to cool back off a little bit. Now they don't have to cool off. I mean, they can keep running hot and eventually crash out. But the more it has these healthy the more it has these healthy bounces, the better it is. What am I playing with in that account? I don't like that. Excuse me. That's why I need a cough box. Come on, Sophie, make me some money today. Ooh, Ayla had a little bit of a bounced, didn't it? Here's one, guys, I've been talking about since we've got to let that play out a little bit more here. Um, Mark Forge. Now this is a Cathie Wood pick here. This wouldn't be a day trade. This would be more of a long-term swing trade. It's actually not looking good this morning. I was expecting it to bounce and keep going a little bit more before it come back down and retested anything, but it's come back and retested this line, what, 1, 2, 3 times now. At least it's holding there, so that's something. So I'm not saying it's completely out, but you know, I'd like to see it keep going if it's going to. But this is a Cathie Woods, guys. If you let me pull this up. If you're into ETFs and stuff, one of the better ones, in my opinion, is do I already have it up? ARK Invest. It's Cathie Wood. It's her ETF. You might see her a lot on business news channels and things like that, or you might hear a reference in form of like Tesla or Square. She's really into like tech and innovation in that area. But if you come right down, if you go to arkinvest.com and come down, explore ETFs. So this is the different ETFs that she has. The one we're interested in for Mark Forge is the print one right down here. So if we go to the print ETF, we come down here and we can see what the top 10 are. Come right over here to view holdings. And it was, see if I can find it. I don't see it. Did she sell it? Let me see. This yeah, ticker symbol. Well, gosh, she might have sold it. Oh, never mind. I blew that out of the water. See, when I was researching all this, it was on there. She had bought it. I don't know. Let me look back at it, guys, and we'll get back onto that one. But anyway, this is a good place to come and see what she's investing in. She's really good at her job. These ETFs are banging. They're not bad. You can actually catch them on little dips every once in a while. You can see my favorite one is the ARK K one. You can see that she's invested in like Tesla, Roku, Square, Coinbase, Zoom, Teladoc, Unity, Shopify, Twilio, Spotify. So it's a good one to look at. Okay, let's go down our watch list here. That's the right one. Oh, look, it's banging again. Here we go. Here we go now. Here we go now. Alright, so almost 30 shares. We're up $10 right now. So I guess right now is a good time to talk about what's good in and out. We should have talked about that beforehand, but I think with $30, we should at least try to hit about or 30 shares with this price. we should at least try to hit somewhere between 20 and 30 bucks. So let's shoot for 25 and see how that goes according to the candles. So at 25, what we're going to do is we're going to let it get up over 25. After that, if it's not in the middle of a bounce, we're going to let it keep going, and as soon as it shows any signs of backing off any, that's when we sell. You can see how it's running hot here. This is a 3-minute time scale. Actually, I might look for it to bounce one more time here, unless it's going to go ahead and go to the moon here in a second. You can see how volatile it's getting here. While that's doing that, let me check. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. There we go. I got you up now. See how it's bounced and went on. It's getting real volatile in that area. Let me check messages while that's playing out. Let's do something here real quick. AMC here. Sylvie here. No. There we go. Yeah, so you can see with AMC, man, they're battling to keep it up. Yeah, see right here, see if we don't get a retest of it and go on. So our out point on this, our cut loss point, is if it looks like it's going to drop below the 50-day. Man, Nintendo's at such a sweet buy right now. Sophie bouncing and going on. See it come up, it tested this resistance, it tested it, come back down, retested the support, and now it's bouncing again. Let's look for this one to come back and retest these EMA lines. Some other things supposed to have some earnings today. Wrong one. Let's bring Sophie back up on that one. Alright. We'll give these time to play out here and see. Let's go back to the here and let's look for any other plays. AUPH. Look and see what that one's going to do. I'm going to see if I can find some more information on that AMC thing I was telling you about here. Okay, I found a couple of things here if I can find something that's not a video. Okay, so this is one that was posted back when they, I think maybe implemented the rule, on the failed to deliver. A failed to deliver is created when you buy stock or exercise a call option, but the market maker does not deliver on those shares to you. Um, that is basically it. Or another situation would be, like if they borrowed shorts and then have to return them for whatever reason, margin call or not paying for them no more, or whatever the reason may be, then that is a failed to deliver. So T plus 35 and its importance. When a failed to deliver is created, the market maker has 35 calendar days to deliver the share. Rule Rule 204. They've got a link here that says that the failed to delivers have to be covered before regular trading hours on the 35th day after the FTD cycle. So it wouldn't have been today, and that's not before market hours. I don't know. So we'll see what happens with it. I know not, and there's enough volume in AMC right now where they might have already um, got those 2 million. But the whole purpose or point of this is over the next week, there's supposed to be increasingly more failed to delivers come into that T plus 35 day. So I don't know. Like I said, we'll see. You know, I never doubt the hedge funds. They always find some way of kicking the can down the road. So we'll see how that plays out, guys. So this one's not looking too bad. You see how it's getting ready to bounce right here. We'll wait to see how that's playing out. Let's go back to this one's bouncing. You know, like I said, I'd rather see it bounce up like this than shoot straight up. It's a healthy progression. It means it's usually going to run longer. So we'll see. What else are we looking at today? Yeah, PRGO's looking good. I heard EVGO the other day. Nope, it died out. What about GoEV? Maybe that was it. No. GoPro, they had earnings today, or is it this evening? Let me look here. GoPro was yesterday, so was Dropbox. Let's put in the earnings tab right here, the watch list, and just go down them. So we got GoPro. Zynga, guys, this is a good dip buy on Zynga. It usually it must have had less than expected returnings, but it usually stays around 10. It's another heavily shorted stock. I don't think there's a chance of squeeze on it, but at the same time, um, I do believe that it will bounce back up to where it was, or at least, within that 10 range. What else we got? We got higher lows, but we're almost flat across the top. It might be breaking out right here. Right there. Let's see what that does. We'll put it on our watch list too. What's the volume? Not terrible. Floats high though. See, I like that drop down. It found support above the 200 EMA line and bouncing. So we'll see. See how that plays out too. What we got here? No, not enough volume. That don't look too bad. AIG. Let's go back to our watch list. Let's see what we had yesterday. Man, this is one that's been running for a while now, ain't it? Yeah. Standard Lithium. Looks like we've got an engulfing candle there. market's just kind of like blasé, I guess. Oh, what do we got here? The one I was looking at a minute ago, wasn't it? Yeah. It's continuing up over that line, so that's looking good. That's looking bullish. That could be a good play. Let's wait and see what it does, if it might come back and retest this support or something. You know, we'll see. It is dead, man. Dead, dead, dead. A-Lit's looking good. Keeps this up, it's going to get to about 10:20 maybe today, 10:30. It's a slow moving stock, but it's continuing to move up. It looks good. Yeah, see, there's a lot of volatility there. I don't know what they want it to do. Overall stock's not volatile though. Overall stock's calm as can be. Discovery just got a bad turn, man. When that dude had all them shares and got margin called, that ruined a lot of people's opinion about it. And you've seen some investors come in there since then, but none's really. There's not been enough to pump it back up to nowhere near what it was. Wonder why. Who wrote the book of love? Ooh, Sophie crashed out on me. No, Sophie. Damn it. Trying to mess around with some of my orders here, guys. Sorry, not talking. I've done this last Friday too, man. I mean, it was a great day trading up until the last day, and then it was just kind of blah. Alright, we're bouncing on this. This is going to be our only saving grace for today right now. Excuse me. CRBU. CRBU. Get out of here. GDYN. I mean, it looks okay. It's not terrible, but no, not for me. Guys, one of the things I'm looking into for next week is I want to try a free trial here and show y'all Benzinga Pro, okay? It's an expensive platform, and I'm thinking about getting it for the channel. One of the things I thought about doing is maybe doing like a Patreon or a GoFundMe or something like that, and taking that money and getting stuff for the channel, you know, like getting Ortex, getting Bazinga, stuff like that. But we're going to try this free trial on this and see what it's like. You can see right here, this is pretty expensive even for the basic. It's $100 a month. This one right here with the Squawk Box, that's the one I've heard is really good. This one I'm not really interested in the mentorship or education, things like that. You know, I mean, that's good if you're just starting out and stuff, but I think this essential one is the one we're going to try for next week. I'm going to get it Sunday. What is the free trial for? So you can actually set up a date and they'll run it through for you, you know, run through what all it can do and stuff. That's pretty cool. How long is the free trial for? Is it a week, 2 weeks? Damn it. Yeah, just tell me what it is. Let's see. Anyways. So it's got a screener, a scanner, the Squawk, alerts, chat. So it'd be really good if we could get in that and see what it would do. Alright guys, so we're going to end the stream here. We'll come back at about after lunch. Get started back.